Hi, this is the demo video of the MCP server called NeatNote. The NeatNote, what it does is it transforms the unstructured text into clear, organized insights using semantic embeddings and LLM summaries. So as you can see, this MCP server has been deployed on the Hugging Face spaces and using Gradio. So the MCP server comprises of three tools, that is Notes interface, Markdown interface, and the HTML interface. So let's see what is under the hood, that is the architecture. So first thing is the user using the cloud MCP client the passes the nodes which are messy, unorganized, unstructured. It is passed to the input loader and it has been converted into clean nodes. And then from there it is passed to the sentence transformer embedding, which is the nodes are converted into vectors. So then the vectors are passed to HDBSCAN cluster, where the close related nodes are grouped together. And finally, using a LLM large language model like OpenAI or Cloud, we can use those models to convert those group nodes into a well meaningful LLM summaries with the titles that make sense. So then the enriched structure that has been given out by the LLM is passed to the Markdown tool. The Markdown tool converts that the clustered nodes into the beautiful Markdown, and then from there it is passed to the HTML export tool, where the nodes are displayed using the user's desired font. So let me go to the cloud interface now. So as you can see on the cloud interface, when we go to the settings and to the developer tab, so here you can see my NeatNote Hugging Face space, which is currently the MCP server, has been integrated successfully and it is running on on cloud. So when we go to the new chat, I already have a simple prompt which says, can you convert the attached file which consists of the messy nodes into beautiful structured nodes into inconsolata font HTML file. So here I want my output in the inconsolata font. So let me first attach some example nodes. So this is just an example node which is unorganized, and uh, it consists of like day-to-day activities like I need to meet Chris tomorrow, need to schedule business meeting, need to pick up my parents from airport, need to send an urgent email, do the laundry, and so on. So now I'll ask the cloud to do its thing. So as you can see, it has started. So now it is asking, it is pondering, and hopefully it will use the tools that I have passed here in the input. So here you can see in the Gradio is been turned on, and all the three tools are visible here. So yes, so now it is asking me to use the first tool, that is cluster nodes dynamic. I'll allow it. So it is now going through the first tool, which will cluster the nodes and gives out the output. So as you can see, the nodes have been consumed by the cloud, and it is taking some time. Just waiting for the response. So yeah, as you can see, the response is we get the clear clusters here, ID 0, 1, and okay. Now it has passed to the Markdown tool, asking me to convert this structure into Markdown. I'll allow it. So now this the Markdown. Hopefully, we'll get the Markdown tool output. Yes, we got it. As you can see, the response is structured nodes. So we got the output. Then now it has moved to the next tool that we defined to convert that Markdown into HTML file with inconsolata font. So I'll allow it. So out comes now the structured, organized, visually impeccable notes. So here in the response, we can see that we got the HTML file that we were looking for. So cloud has successfully consumed all the tools. Now let me go to the browser, paste this to the link to download the HTML file. And yes, the It has been successfully downloaded, and there you can see. Uh, Here you can see it is structured nodes. So my MCP server using the cloud, I was successfully able to complete the tasks that I gave it. Urgent tasks and meetings. I need to meet Chris tomorrow, business meeting and so on. Today's tasks. I need to take my pet to vet. So need to do some project research and so on. So the output looks very convincing. Thank you.